How exactly do you raise settled concrete?
We raise concrete with our smart lift system as easy as 1, 2, 3. The first thing that we do is we drill small 5/8 inch diameter holes in strategic locations in the slabs that we need to raise. Then we inject our polyurethane down through those holes, which flows beneath the concrete, filling voids and raising the slabs. That material cures in 15 to 30 minutes. Once we have the slabs raised, we patch those holes with cement, which blends in very nicely. Once cured, you can hardly even tell we were there. With our smart lift system, we use a commercial grade polyurethane, about double the density of most of our competitors using residential grade foams. Once we're done and we pull away, say we've raised a garage floor or a driveway, you can drive your car on it immediately. There are no delays. If you'd like to learn more, please give us a call.